Are you looking for an affordable Upart wig? Well, stay tuned because I'm giving you all the tea on this Upart wig by Unice Hair on Amazon. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing with you this Upart wig from Unice Hair on Amazon. For the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So go ahead and click that bell. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and do it right now. I'll wait a second. So I want to give a big thanks to Unice Hair for sponsoring this video. So when Unice Hair reached out to me for a collaboration, I was so excited. I was super excited. I was able to choose from a number of wigs, and this was the wig I decided to go with. I'm here to give you everything you need to know about this hair. Let's get into this review. So the wig came in this box that says Unice on it. On the back of the box, it gives you instructions on how to care for the wig, how to comb and wash the wig. It also came with a pair of lashes. Check out the description box for more on this wig and Unice Hair. Again, this is the Unice Hair Upart wig that is human hair. It's a glueless straight human hair wig, Brazilian virgin hair, and it is 150% density and 18 inches. For the construction of the wig has 6 combs in total, 3 combs around the U-part cutout, 2 combs along the side, and 1 comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps so you can adjust the fit of the wig. So as you can see, the ends are healthy. They aren't split or see-through or thin. The wig has a nice natural shine to it, and it's very, very soft. So I really love the texture and the feel of the hair, as well as the hair has layers in it. So I think that is a beautiful touch to this Upart wig. So it's the next day, and I did go ahead and wash the hair. I washed the hair with a moisturizing conditioner. Tresemme is my go-to conditioner for my wigs, and then I let it air dry. So the wig itself has a natural wavy texture that is beautiful, and I always just like to wash my wigs before I wear them just for hygiene purposes. So now I'm going to go in with Tresemme, a heat protectant, and then I'm going to flat iron my hair straight. Fast forward a couple of days and I washed my own hair and then I set it with flexi rods, and now I look like this. So I also put flexi rods in my Upart wig as well because I wanted to give it some body and a little curl, because when I flat ironed the hair it was very straight, which was beautiful, but I wanted a little bounce to it, so I put the flexi rods in it. And I'm going to cut the opening of the Upart wig open, and then I'm going to apply the wig to my hair, which was very, very, very easy. Okay, so because I'm wearing this Upart wig in the middle part, I'm going to part out a section from the middle of my head that's going to be my leave out. So I'm sectioning off my leave out that will cover the Upart wig when I pin it down. So I'm going to then pull my hair back into a low bun. So I'm not going to keep this Upart wig on long. I'm pretty much wearing it for the day. So I want to be able to easily take it out. If I were going to wear the wig longer than a day, I would probably cornrow my hair down. You can also sew down the wig as well if you were going to wear it longer than a day. But for me, like I said, I'm only wearing it for a day, so I'm just going to put it in a low bun and pin it up. And then I'm going to apply the wig to my head. So now all you have to do is adjust the straps in the back of the wig for the size of your head. And that's the one thing I wish you could customize, is the size of the Upart wig, because I felt like the Upart wig was too big for my head. But there's ways to get around it. It's not a big deal at all. And also, this was my first time applying a Upart wig, so this was kind of like a trial and error run for me. I'm sure I will perfect how I apply my U-part wig, but for now, this is how I did it. So once again, the wig is beautiful. I am loving it. I'm feeling myself. It is gorgeous. So now I'm going to go in with my flat iron and straighten my leave out. So I'm just making a nice straight middle part, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron and of course my Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm going to flat iron my hair. Now that everything is flat ironed and straight, I'm going to go in with the flat iron again and add a bump to the front pieces of my hair. So pretty much my bang piece of my hair that I have the leave out. So I'm going to add a little bump to it to add some volume and style. Honestly, this is where I struggle. I have no idea how to curl hair, like how to do that beautiful bouncy comb back curl, you know, the middle part curl. But I did the best I could do, but overall I love how my hair came out. It looks so good. It's giving me a sew-in vibe. It looks so natural, and I am just in love with this U-part. So using the ORS wrapping foam or setting foam, I'm going to set my edges. I love to use this on my edges when I'm freshly relaxed. And I am 2 weeks post relaxer, so this works perfectly and it doesn't leave any buildup or residue. So I'm just going to comb back and set my edges. Next, I'm going to go in with the ORS Glossing Hair Polisher and just put it on the top of my head to slick down any flyaways and to add some shine. And I'm all set. So, lovies, I am loving this hair. I am feeling it. I am feeling myself. I am in love. This wig is giving me the look of a sew-in. I haven't had a sew-in in years. So without going to the salon and waiting all those hours, pretty much all day to get your hair done and spending all that money, I am able to have a full head of hair, a wig that's giving me a natural sew-in look, and I am in love with it. I am a clip-in girl. I love to wear clip-ins, but I don't know, the U-part wig might be taking over. I might be putting my clip-ins to the side because this U-part wig is so easy to put on and to take off, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's easier than clip-ins. Literally, it's so much easier. So I am loving this U-part wig. In love. I'm obsessed. I've been wearing it ever since I got it. So since I've opened it, I have been wearing it. This is also the wig that I'm wearing in my Vlogmas intro. So if you haven't seen that video of me making my Vlogmas intro, go ahead and check it out. This wig is $109, which I think is a great price. It's very fair, reasonable. I'm thinking back to when I used to get a sew-in. My sew-ins would cost, I don't even remember, and I got a sew-in so long ago, but I know it was like over $150. So I am loving the fact that I could get a U-part wig for $109 and I can wear it over and over again, and it gives me the look of a sew-in. So I am here for it. It looks good and natural, and you cut out the salon time, you cut the cost. Like, yes. So 18 inches is $109, but of course the longer you go, the more expensive it gets. But hey, very affordable, very reasonable. So let's talk about shedding. I haven't had any shedding with this hair. The hair is very new, so I can't really say too much about shedding, but since I've had it, since I've combed it, since I've curled it, washed it, rolled it, I have had no shedding, no tangles. The hair is so super soft and manageable. I haven't had any tangles. So this hair is 150% density. It's a natural density, a realistic, natural, everyday density, which I love. Like, this could be my go-to everyday wig when you just want to wear something light that's not too long and not too full. This is the perfect wig for like an everyday hair. It isn't too thin, like I said. It isn't too heavy, it isn't too full, and the length is 18 inches and it's long. I thought 18 inches was shorter. I don't know, maybe it's me. I usually go for at least 24 inches. I want 26 inches, so I like long hair. I want it really long. So I thought 18 inches would be shorter, but I am surprised. Like, I like the length of this hair. This is where the hair ends. So the wig also has natural layers. So there are natural layers within the wig, which I am here for, and I love it because it allows your real hair to blend in with the wig so much easier. Like, it blends in. It's a natural look it gives. So I love the light layers that's in this wig. So I am loving it. Also, the wig is very versatile. So as you saw when I washed the hair and I let it air dry, it was like a wavy, it was a nice wavy texture. You can wear it with wavy texture. I also straightened it. You could also put rollers in it. I put flexi rods to achieve this look, and the flexi rods did hold in the hair. You know how some hair is too soft, it won't hold a good flexi rod, a good curl? Not with this hair. It did curl. So one thing I want to touch on is the texture of this hair. I did get this wig in Brazilian straight. I am a relaxed girl, like I said, but my relaxed hair has texture. So I have texture in my hair. So I was thinking next time I would get a kinky straight Upart wig, and then that way I can flat iron that wig, and then that way it will blend in better and easier with my natural relaxed hair texture. I won't have to manipulate my hair so much. I won't have to put so much heat on my hair to blend it in with the wig. So next time, that's probably what I would do, is go for a more kinky straight Upart wig. I don't like to put too much heat on my hair, and I know with this leave out and this texture of hair, I am going to have to flat iron my hair more than I would usually do. So that's just a little tip for you if you are relaxed and you're thinking about getting this hair. I also don't know how the texture of the kinky straight is. I don't even know if the kinky straight will actually flat iron straight. So that's one thing you'll have to maybe guess and see. But for me, I know my clip-ins are kinky straight and I flat iron them, and then they blend in well with my relaxed hair. So that's what I do with that. So I'm thinking that would be a good idea with the Upart wig. So once again, this wig is from Unice Hair on Amazon, and I love it because I got my wig in 2 days. So that's standard Amazon Prime time. And so the good thing is you have that option to go ahead, buy your wig and receive it in 2 days, but you have that option. You don't have to wait a week or weeks to receive your wig. We all know Amazon is the plug. Listen, Amazon is taking over. So yeah, you can get your wig on Amazon, get it in 2 days. So those are my thoughts on this beautiful Upart wig. Like I said, the wig is new. I've only worn it a couple of times. So I'm gonna come back in 30 days and I'm gonna wear the wig and really see how it wears over time. And then I'll come back and give you a 30-day review of this Unice Upart wig. Comment down below and let me know if you're feeling this Upart wig. Also, I want to know, what is your go-to type of wig? So is it a lace front wig? Is it a full lace wig? Is it a Upart wig? Is it a half wig? Let your girl know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for relaxed hair content and more. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thanks, lovies, and I'll see you in the next one.